If you're new to Kotlin programming or just starting out with IntelliJ IDEA, you may be wondering why you need to install the Java JDK, the Java Development Kit, in order to use the IDE for Kotlin development. Guys, please share the video on all your social media platforms, especially to those interested in Kotlin programming. Now get back to the matter at hand. First, it's important to understand that Kotlin is a statically typed programming language that is fully interoperable with Java. This means that Kotlin code can be used alongside Java code in the same project, and Kotlin code can also call Java code and vice versa. Because of this interoperability, the Java JDK is required for Kotlin development in IntelliJ IDEA. The JDK provides the necessary tools and libraries for compiling and running Kotlin code, as well as for building and running Java applications. In addition to the JDK's role in building and running Kotlin and Java code, it is also required for features such as code completion, refactoring, and debugging. Without the JDK, these features would not be available, making it more difficult to develop applications using the IDE. So, to sum it up, the Java JDK is an essential component for Kotlin programming in IntelliJ IDEA. It provides the necessary tools and libraries for building and running Kotlin and Java code, as well as using advanced features of the IDE. If you are new to Kotlin programming or just getting started with IntelliJ IDEA, be sure to install the JDK to get the most out of the IDE and make your Kotlin development experience as smooth as possible.